Hey guys, welcome back to Trading with Sarah. In this video, I'm going to be analyzing the price of gold, show you guys where I think gold is heading, areas where you could be looking for potential trading opportunities. Okay, it has been a while since I have done analysis on basically gold, Bitcoin trading in general. Like, it's been a while. I haven't been consistent at all in making videos on YouTube, TikTok, and I've just been having so many things to do. So yeah, I lost that consistency. But this new year, 2026, I'm going to go back to the consistency of making daily analysis videos, especially on gold, okay? Because this is what I specialize on. I mainly trade gold only. When I first started trading, I was more in the crypto side, but then I transitioned. I don't really trade crypto as much anymore. I mostly trade gold only, okay? And that's Forex. So yeah, in this coming year, 2026, you guys are gonna see you're gonna be seeing a lot more videos of me making, like teaching you guys about trading and then posting daily analysis about gold. That's XAUUSD. Okay. So I'm super excited for that. And I promise this time I'm gonna definitely try to stay more consistent. I'm not gonna try, I will stay consistent. Okay. So if this is your first time coming to this channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and also give a like in this video. Even if it's not your first time, if you're a returning subscriber, please hit that thumbs up button. I really do appreciate it. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and all that. And feel free to share this video, the YouTube channel, with your family, friends, those who are interested in making money. Then make sure you share this YouTube channel with them, because it is one of the best places to be in if you're someone that's wanting to learn about Forex trading. Then this is the place to be in. Okay. So without further ado, let's get started. We're going to be looking at the price of XAUUSD. I'm going to be doing a drop down analysis starting from the daily time frame. Okay. So gold actually has been pumping over the last it has been pumping over the last couple days. Actually started yesterday. No, not even yesterday. It's been a couple days. Yeah, I think since last week, the price of gold has just been literally like pumping. And on my Telegram channel, I did post a little bit of an analysis and a signal. I know I told you guys to go ahead and buy gold because it's going to be going up. Okay, it's going up, and I'm going to be telling you guys the exact price target of where I think price of gold is going. So if you want to do anything right now, you want to be buying gold. Okay, start buying gold right now, and then I'll tell you exactly where you should be getting out for your take profit. Okay, so let's get started. This is price of gold. Currently is trading at 4,483,000. Okay. So let's just see. All right. So we always start off by looking at what is the current trend. So if I zoom out right now, we can see that the current trend is up, right? The market has been trending up, and it's been in a very strong uptrend over the last couple of years. Gold has just been pushing higher, higher. Back in the month of April, so from April up until like August, we saw the price of gold just going sideways, right? It went sideways there from April up until like August. And then starting around, I think September, September, let's say, yeah, beginning of September, that's when price of gold then continued the uptrend. It started going up higher and higher. And then it topped out when it got to 4,000 383. Yeah, 4,383. This was the highest point it went to, and then it got rejected there massively and started coming down. Actually, let me use this instead. Okay, so it got rejected over here at 4,383 approximately, and it dropped all the way down to about 3,886 approximately. Okay, this is where it dropped down to. Okay, now I don't need to put a line there because it doesn't really matter for me. Okay, right now I want us to focus on where the price of gold is going. Okay, so basically, this previous place where it got rejected massively at, right, the 4,383, this was the previous all-time high, right? So price got rejected there, came down all the way to 3883, or yeah, I think 38883 approximately, right? So this was now our major resistance, right? Since price is in an uptrend, in order for the uptrend to continue, it will need to break this high. Okay, it needs to break this resistance here, 3,383. It needs to break it. And if gold is able to successfully break above that, it's going to be able to now push higher towards, the next major price target. So right now, gold actually did that. It actually did that yesterday. Okay. On the daily time frame, it did that earlier today, just a few hours ago. We can see that the market actually closed a bullish daily candle above this resistance. So this is a successful breakout. But the breakout actually happened already yesterday, okay? So if you're someone that actually trades and you look at lower time frames, like 1 hour, 1 hour is it's like it's in the middle of low time frame and high time frame at the same time, right? So if you looked on the 1 hour, the breakout already happened on the 1 hour time frame yesterday, right? So this here would have been a really perfect area to actually go long on gold. And now the price target, where the price of gold is heading to, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so this is where it should be heading to, approximately, yeah, so about around 4,856. Okay, so this is the price target. This is where gold is heading now. If you want to know how I know this, make sure you join my trading class. This is a secret I only teach to my students. All right, I don't share this knowledge on the YouTube channel. You can join my next trading class if you're interested in knowing this. But yeah, watch out, guys. Over the next couple, let's say a week, give it a week or two, or maybe maximum 3 weeks, we should see gold around the price of like 4,700, 4,800. Okay, so this is where I see price of gold going. Where what you want to be doing right now is to be going long on gold. You want to definitely be buying gold. And then as of right now, if you were to um in terms of your stop loss and all that, you're gonna have to go to the lower time frame, okay? Because initially the best area to have entered was when the price actually broke the resistance right away on the 1 hour time frame. So when we got this breakout, immediately this would have been a good area to buy. So the pullback, right? So immediately after the breaking out, we saw gold pulled back to this level. So that 4,383 now turned into support. You can see how price came back, use it as support, and then it continued going higher. So now it's literally super far away from this area, right? So if I would have bought here, I would have set my stop loss like below the uh previous support, which would have been like something around here. So what I would say my stop loss around here. But if you're trying to buy now, right, you setting your stop loss right here is literally way too far, way too huge of a stop loss. So right now, what you want to do is basically go on the 1 hour time frame and analyze the current structure, and then look for the best area to enter, right? The best area is always when the price is pulling back to a support. So right now we have this previous resistance right here. Okay, so this previous higher high was our resistance, but now it turns into support. So this would be one good area to possibly buy gold if price comes back to it. I'm not guaranteeing that it's going to come back here, but if it does come back down to 4,442, this would be a perfect area to go long. Okay, so between 4,442 and 4,435. This is going to be a really good area to go long on gold. This is what the trade would look like. Okay, so just want to set your stop loss like slightly like around here. And then you can literally hold this trade. This is gonna be like massive take profit, but you can hold it until like 4,700. That's yeah, 4,700. This is like a lot of profit. Okay. And then once again, this is a long-term trade, right? This is not something that don't expect the price to come to this TP within like a couple hours or a day. It's going to take some time. But yeah, this is my analysis on gold. Look to go long on gold. I'll come back again tomorrow so we can see what happened. All right. That is it for the analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned one or two things. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed, also give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Take care, guys.